Well, Bitcoin is pumping like crazy right into the box. That's right. It's the very important box that we have had on our chart now for months. And I'm going to be talking about what I think is going to happen with Bitcoin because this is a very historic moment. We have literally never seen this happen since the inception of Bitcoin. And make sure to subscribe to the channel because we are giving you the moves before they happen. I let everybody know I was putting $500,000 long on Bitcoin back in December for the new high. I let everybody know before the ETF exactly where I was looking for that rejection. Of course, putting my money where my mouth was, taking the dang trade, because we actually do that here on this channel. Letting everybody know in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, I was going to long the reclaim of $40,700. A huge shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord, taking the dang long trade from the exact bottom. You do not want to miss these updates, guys. Plus, I'm literally the only crypto trading channel that shares these profits with my viewers, giving away thousands of dollars during my public live streams. So the Bitcoin price is right now coming up into our major box of resistance, and this is going to be the make it or break it level for Bitcoin that really determines whether or not we see that all-time high before the halving. Now, here's why this is such an important box, and here's why I've been expecting higher. If you've been following my channel, you know that I've been very, very bullish throughout all of this range. Even though people have been saying it's very bearish, I've been maintaining my bullish bias, almost making myself look like an idiot because we were not getting that big pump, but the chart was showing more upside. And when we take a look at what we have here on these higher term timeframes, one of the main reasons why I was looking for higher, obviously I saw things on Market Cipher B, and you can go back and watch my old videos exactly why I was bullish. But one of the main reasons is because when we look at all the volume that has traded here since the beginning of 2021, we can see that the main level of resistance is still above us. And typically, the price will go to those very key levels before we actually see the reaction, right? This is what we saw back before the ETF. People were getting bearish before the Bitcoin ETF because this range started to look bearish. There were bearish divergences forming, but I was maintaining a bullish bias, even opening up fresh long trades, $500,000 worth, looking for higher prices. Why? Because I knew that the key level of resistance was around $48,000. And so that's exactly what I'm looking at right here, where we can see that the key level of resistance is still above us. Right? In fact, we're technically at it right now. Technically speaking, right now, we are getting a rejection from a key level, which is why I have my green box to this area. Okay. But the major level, one of the more key levels, is still yet above us. And so for me, if Bitcoin is going to see a new high, I want to see a sign of strength now, because this is not the time to be longing Bitcoin. This is not the time to be buying Bitcoin, right? The time to be longing Bitcoin, the time to be buying Bitcoin was down in this area, right? When we were giving the long setups in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, or even over here when we reclaimed $40,700, when we gave the long setup in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, right? This is now not the time to long. If we want to buy, if we want to long, if we're already long, great, because we can hold our positions. But if we're on the sidelines, what we need to see now is we need to see a breakout and a retest. If the Bitcoin price can break above this box and then retest the $55,000 area, hold it as support, then I do believe that we can see a new Bitcoin all-time high. But this is a change in the macro 4-year cycle that we have literally never seen before. In fact, if we take a look at the historical Bitcoin chart, we see something very, very interesting, which is ever since Bitcoin's inception, we have right here the green lines that represent key support created during the market cycle. The white line represents the halving. We always come up to the key fib level, get about a 40 to 50% rejection to the green line before the halving, and then boom, we enter into the bull market. 2012, we saw that happen. We saw that happen right here in 2016. We come up to the Fibonacci golden pocket, boom, into the green line, into the halving, bam, into the bull market. We saw it happen here in 2019. Reject from the golden pocket, come down to the green line, white line halving, boom, off to the races. Look at what's happening now. Yes, we got a little rejection from the golden pocket. Was this our pre-halving pullback? Could this possibly be the pre-halving pullback, only a 20% move to the upside? It's very, very possible. And so for me right now, what I want to see to confirm that this in fact was the pre-halving pullback and we're about to go right into a crazy bull market is now a reclaim of our key resistance and then a retest, okay? Very, very crucial area, very historic for Bitcoin. When we take a look at our oscillator, Market Cipher B, what do we see? Well, objectively speaking, on the weekly time frame, things are looking bullish. We saw a really nice trigger wave on the weekly. Money flow is getting thicker. This bearish divergence is about to become invalidated on the weekly time frame. We go to the 3-day time frame. What do we see? Money flow getting thicker. We have some bearish divergences here, but the money flow is getting thicker, telling us that there is more upside possible. We have a green dot on the daily time frame about to confirm. And when this confirms, well, these bearish divergences very well may be invalidated. We have to remember that we had a hidden bullish divergence right down here on the daily. And oftentimes when we dip into the purple during a very strong uptrend, this is support, a continuation pattern. And by the way, guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins along with us, I highly recommend my go-to exchange, MEXC, 0% limit order fees, 0.01% market order fees. Links in the description. It's literally the easiest way to get started trading right now. I'm also trading on ZoomX, and I'm also trading on BingX, where you can trade stocks, forex, commodities, indices using your Tether as margin. And if you want to join the Casper True VIP Discord, where we give juicy trade setups like this one right here, and also every single day we have multiple instructors doing live streams, giving you their setups. It's an amazing community. You can go to jasoncaspertrading.com, click the link to join the VIP Discord, where you get an entire beginner's course, plus 3 live streams a day of instructors giving their setups, plus a thriving community. We also right now have a 60% discount on all our courses. Links in the description and pinned comment, including the scalping mini course. It's only $75. We're going to take 60% off of that. Links in the pinned comment and description if you are interested. So my next target for Bitcoin is $56,000. If we reclaim that, hold it as support, we could be seeing a new Bitcoin all-time high. These are very exciting times for Bitcoin, and a huge shout out to everybody who is buying Bitcoin under $20,000. And we were shouting at the top of our lungs, this is the time to buy, when everybody was getting very, very bearish. A huge blessing to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are very, very blessed. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.